but I'll tell you more in just a bit. But for now, let's have a look at traffic.
987 traffic.
On AYE towards Tuas, that's heavy going traffic at Tuas West Drive exit. On BKE towards Woodlands, accident after Mandai Road. So please drive safely and stay alert. This traffic update is brought to you by Gain City.
Gain City's mega store is soon at plus a chance to win a Desert D9 MPV with every 100 spent. Hurry down today.